Stop peeling bananas like a monkey. You've been doing it wrong your entire life. Here's why. Peel bananas from the bottom. It's easier, faster, and how monkeys actually do it. Tie your shoes. The bunny ears method is slow. Switch to the E-in knot and save 10 seconds every day. Brushing your teeth. Wetting the brush first dilutes the toothpaste. Stop it. Sleeping on your side. Switch to your back. It prevents wrinkles and back pain. Using ketchup. Stop banging the bottle. Hit the 57-foot on the neck instead. And if you're still folding your pizza, you're a criminal. Eat it crust first to enjoy the best bite last. Washing your hair every day. Stop. It strips natural oils. 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Microwaving leftovers? Cover them with a damp paper towel to keep them moist. Game changer. Opening a stubborn jar? Use a rubber band for grip. No more struggling. Cutting onions? Chew gum while chopping. No more tears. Charging your phone overnight? You're killing the battery. Stop at 80%. Wrapping gifts? Use a triangle fold for perfect edges. No more tape disasters. Here's the craziest one. You've been using Q-tips wrong your whole life. They're not for your ears. They were invented to clean babies' noses. And if you're still using the pinch and twist method to open chip bags, you're wasting time. Just fold the corners. Which one of these were you doing wrong? Comment guilty below, or tag a friend who needs this video. Here's the ultimate hack. You've been storing bananas wrong. Hang them to keep them fresh longer. And if you're still using a knife to pit avocados, whack the seed with a spoon, it pops right out. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more life hacks, and share this with someone who's been living wrong.